Hello, this is the scarf that I'm going to tie today. Is like I'm going to tie like turban, like scarf, like gele. Just watch and see the way I'm going to style it. This material is called taffeta. It's not bridal satin or raw silk. It's taffeta. So I'm using 2 yards to tie this style. The 2 yards I fold it into two before I sew it. So it's not as thick as a bridal satin or raw silk, so that's why I fold it into two before I sew it. So you can see the way I'm tying it. I'm creating that mountain there because that is what I'm going to use to style this turban. You use your In this tutorial, what you need is your scarf, the taffeta or the bridal satin. Anyone you want to use is okay. You can even use ankara. It depends on the one you have. So you have your rubber band, and you do just see the way I'm going to do my own. Like this one now, I'm going to tie bow tie. Bow tie, we have so many ways to tie bow tie. This is one of the ways to tie your bow tie. You can do it very simple like this. If you check some of my video on bow tie, you're going to see the way I tie some of them. This is not the only way to tie bow tie. We have so many ways, like 5 ways to tie your bow tie or more than. So you can see now we have our bow tie. So if you like, you can use your brooch to embellish it, or your trimming, or you just leave it like this. But if you don't want the elastic band to show, you can just use your brooch or trimming. So you can see. So what do you say about this scarf or this turban? Is it not okay? Please watch to the end and see all the styles that I have in this video. So I'm going to use my brooch now to embellish it. So you can see now I have my brooch there. I think it's better. The brooch is better, though I did not use trimming here, so I cannot say you should compare the two. So this is the brooch. So how do you see now? And this is the back. Oh my god, I love the back of this scarf, like this turban. As you see it, what do you think? Like, you don't know that this is the way I tied before. Maybe you just see the picture, I turn the back for you. What are you going to think? Are you not going to think that it's turban because of that back? Oh, so if you are tying your own, please make sure the end of it, make sure you do it neatly. At times neatness of work matters. Most of it is that you have to you have to exercise patience. If you don't have patience, you can't tie gele. Gele is not easy to tie. Let's not lie to ourselves. It's not easy, especially when you are in haste. You can't tie good gele. Gele need more time. Like, you have to put more effort to achieve good gele, like achieve good style. So anytime you are tying your gele, if you watch any video, either my own video, other people's video, we have so many people that tie head wraps. So at times you'll see that some people will be complaining, I tie my own and I do not get exact the style, or I don't get the same thing. My dear, if you want to get the same thing, put more effort, like put more of your time and practice it. If you're a beginner, keep practicing, you'll get there. I'm practicing too. It's not ugly that I can tie. Let me not lie to you. It's not ugly, but at least I'm working on it. I'm practicing every day in my shop. I'm doing all I can, like to tie a perfect gele, like all those big one you see on Instagram. I'm really trying and I'm working on it. By the time I'm through, you'll be seeing different style on this page. So thank you very much. Don't forget to follow me.